Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving straight into how to assign multiple assignees to a task in Asana. This is a handy feature that ensures everyone responsible for a task is in the know and can contribute effectively. Let's start with the first step. Begin by logging into your Asana account and navigating to the task you want to assign. Click on the task title to open the task details. The reason we do this is to get full access to all of the task's specific settings and options. Next up, you'll see an Assignee field on the top right of the task details pane. This is usually where you'd assign a single person to the task. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you assign multiple users, Asana creates a follow-up task for each additional assignee. So to assign multiple assignees, click on the Add Followers button in the same task pane. In the drop-down, you can add the names or email addresses of those you wish to assign. This helps us because it ensures that each person you've added is now responsible for the task and will receive all relevant notifications. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the final step. Once you've added all the desired assignees, click on the Create Follow-up Tasks button. This will automatically create individual tasks for each person you've added. Let me explain why this matters. These follow-up tasks are linked to the original one, so every update made will be reflected across all tasks. This ensures that everyone stays on the same page and the task progresses smoothly. And that's it. You've now learned how to assign multiple assignees to a task in Asana. It's a simple yet powerful way to ensure collaborative tasks are managed effectively and transparently. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to check back for more useful tutorials. And with that, we wrap up today's guide. Until next time.